Definitely going to need every bit of nutritious energy cereal that I can get, because it's a long day today. Going to Sudwana to Ponto De Oura and back again, about 170 k's. Absolutely terrifying.
Jason Ribbink's going to look after me. I'm in good hands, so hopefully the whole time, see what happens.
Here we are at the wreck of the Jolly Rabino, just north of Richards Bay.
So the team's really excited, and yeah, we're getting ready to head to Durban now.
I reckon the Jetskios are at Coffee Bay already.
Good day today, run from Port Alfred to Port Elizabeth. Absolutely magnificent day here in Plettenberg Bay. Really looking forward to it. Short ride today, about 150 k's into Mossel Bay.
Great day ahead, lovely stretch of coast. We're going up to Robberg now, show the boys some 5,000 seals.
I'm very nervous, but I can't wait to do it. Obviously it's for a great cause and it's very close to my heart, having lost my dad to cancer.
We just come from Cape Town, really perfect, easy run, and we're on our way up the west coast. No wind today. After yesterday's ride, I think it'll be a walk in the park.
I'm really pleased to be here. We've got a chip and a putt around the corner here up the west coast. I think we're still going to see some frigid waters up there. We're still going to have our challenges, quite a bit of wind, unprotected coast. I think we've got a possible 220 odd k day today. I think we're going to need a full bag of courage today. But the guys are really looking forward to it. We're keen on finishing this campaign strong. This is one day that I'll remember for a very, very long time. Achieving a goal or a dream that got started over a year ago. Well, it's been a wonderful coast to coast for CANSA campaign. Really pleased to finally arrive here in Alexander Bay in the Orange River. I'm extremely proud of every single one of our team members that have aided in getting us here, not just the riders but the support crew, the backup, the families, every person on the other end of the telephone wishing us well. It was certainly a team effort, and every single person in their own way brought so much to this campaign, and it means so much that we could do this. Now we've got a lantern which we're going to light now as a symbol of us finishing. It was given to us by a cancer survivor in Richards Bay, Nina Dazel, and yeah, it's really great that we can now light it off.